this has two parts. The one that is auto-instrumenting is until the creation of the view. In the Android case is like the on-create of the activity. And we provide a hook or an API for you to include the time to interaction. So basically saying, okay, at this point, the view, the activity, the app is ready to be used. So you have both measurements. How long it took to first render the screen. Maybe you have a spinner, so the user cannot do anything, but that time was, okay, the screen appeared. And then you can also mark how long it took for the app to be usable when the user can actually start to interact. So you have that measurement for every view or activity. And it's pretty straightforward to implement. Before that, it was really hard because doing with navigation, understanding when the activity was instantiated, created, the frameworks is not friendly for you to hook up into those moments, into those points in time and create a span on yourself. So this is really, really useful.